This hot honey garlic chicken is viral for a reason. It's incredibly tasty, crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside, with that perfect balance of sweet, spicy, garlicky flavor that just hits right, and the aroma. It's the kind that makes you hover around the kitchen a little longer than necessary. Let's make it. I've taken 500 grams of chicken. First, I'm going to wash it thoroughly and then cut it into big chunks like this. And quick question while you're cutting this. Do you prefer chicken breast or thigh pieces? I feel like people are very loyal to one or the other. Tell me your pick in the comments. I'm curious. Now transfer the chicken into a bowl. Let's season it. Add salt to taste, ½ teaspoon black pepper, one teaspoon garlic powder, and ½ teaspoon crushed red chilies. Now add 1 egg. Then 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons corn flour. Now mix everything really well. Take your time here. You want the spices and flour to coat every piece evenly. It should look slightly sticky and well combined. This takes about a minute, but it makes a big difference in the final texture. Now cover and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This helps all the flavors absorb into the chicken. If you're short on time, you can fry it immediately, but resting gives better results. Now let's fry. Heat oil for deep frying. And yes, deep frying works best here because of the coating. You can shallow fry, but saute frying won't give the same crispy texture. Carefully add the chicken pieces into the hot oil. Make sure they don't stick together. Keep them slightly separated. Let them fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. You'll start hearing that light, crisp sound, and that's when you know they're getting ready. Once done, take them out and place them on a plate. They should look golden, crisp, and perfectly fried. Remove from heat and set them aside in a plate. Now let's make the sauce. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons butter, let it melt slowly. Now add finely chopped garlic. Saute it gently until you get that strong, aromatic garlic smell. Don't burn it. Now add 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon ketchup. Now mix everything really well. You'll see the sauce coming together, thick, glossy, and beautifully balanced. Sweet, spicy, slightly tangy, everything at once. Let it cook for a minute so all the flavors combine properly. Now add the fried chicken into the sauce and toss everything really well so each piece gets coated evenly. Take your time here. This is where the magic happens. Every piece should be covered in that shiny, sticky sauce, and just like that, your hot honey garlic chicken is ready. Now for the final touch, sprinkle some white sesame seeds and a little chopped cilantro on top. And just look at this. Crispy edges, glossy coating, juicy inside. You can actually see how well the sauce has coated each piece. Take one bite and you'll get that crunch first, then the soft, juicy chicken, followed by that sweet and spicy kick. It's seriously addictive in the best way. Make this for your family, and I promise it won't last long on the table. And tell me in the comments, have you ever tried hot honey flavor before? If not, this is your sign to try it, and if you already love it, you're going to enjoy this version even more. Also, I have one more hot honey recipe coming up. It's a little different, but just as juicy and delicious. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you there. Honey lemon garlic chicken thighs.
Today we're making lemon garlic black pepper chicken thighs, so juicy, so tender that the meat literally falls apart. Let's start with half a kilo of chicken thighs. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 cups of water, and just a little vinegar. Drop the chicken into this solution and let it soak for at least 10 minutes. Longer if you have the time. This step is called brining, and trust me, it changes everything. It allows the salt to move deep inside the meat, so every bite is seasoned, not bland. And later, when we add spices, they penetrate beautifully. While the chicken rests, let's prepare the marinade. In a bowl, add juice of half a lime, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mix everything well. Now take the chicken out of the brining water and rinse it properly. Don't skip this step. Pat it dry, then coat each piece generously with the marinade. Make sure you push the marinade under the skin folds. Set it aside for 10 minutes. We don't need much time here. Brining has already done the hard work. Now place the chicken in a baking dish, just like this. Pour the remaining marinade on top. Bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top turns beautifully golden and the chicken is fully cooked. While it bakes, in a pan, melt 1 heaped tablespoon of butter. Add 3 fresh garlic cloves, finely chopped, and sauté gently on low heat for 2 minutes, just until fragrant. Then add 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, mix it well and turn off the heat. Add 4 lemon slices, optional, but adds that extra zesty flavor. After 30 to 35 minutes, take the chicken out of the oven. Now pour the prepared honey garlic glaze over the chicken, letting it drip into every corner. Put it back in the oven on grill mode for 5 to 10 minutes until the glaze sticks beautifully and the color deepens. Look at that shine, that color, that smell. Garnish with fresh. Don't forget the best part. Pour those delicious juices from the baking dish right back on top. This chicken is mouth-watering, finger-licking good, and completely irresistible. Perfect for holidays, family dinners, or when you just want to make something special for the people you love.